Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch we need to press and hold the light button and keep holding it until you see the GARMIN logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. As you can see, we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.